The month of June has arrived. It is June the 1st, 2021, Tuesday. Started the bike ride at 45 minutes after 10. Riding the Canyon Endurace CF SLX bike again today. Weather. It's about 79 degrees. Humidity is 89%. Wind is out of the east at 9 miles an hour. It's overcast. Last time I checked the weather radar, there was a big clump of rain to the southwest of Houston and another clump to the northeast. Hopefully I can do this bike ride and not get caught in the rain. Today's route, I'm going to go south through Atascocita and through Walden to FM 2100 and then back to Kingwood. Probably 32 miles or so. My goal for the month of June is 800 miles. So I don't have a lot of days that I can skip and then not have to make up. I forgot to do the math as to how many miles per day that is, but let's see here. Probably about 27-ish or so. Maybe 25. Just made the U-turn at FM 2100 and Old Atascocita Road. I've had spats of sprinkles, but no rain to speak of. Threatening. Some clouds. Of course, my sunglasses emphasize those because they're gray.